Hi, James at CG Cars here with a walk around of our 2014 Suzuki Splash. So this is a one owner car with only 29,000 miles and a full main dealer service history. In fact, it's only very recently been serviced. We've put a brand new MOT on the car, and overall it's in excellent condition as you'd expect with these miles. On the exterior, the only really one thing to note would be a very small ding there. It's hardly noticeable being white, but the rest of the car is in fantastic condition. No scraping on the wing mirror caps, no stone chipping on the front of the car. I believe it's only been used for local runs. Really is in fantastic condition. Inside is, as you'd expect, unmarked. There's nothing to note at all inside. All the seats are free of any stains or burns or holes. All the plastics are free of any scratching or scraping which can happen on the plastics in these models. It's all in excellent condition. We have a CD radio with steering wheel controls, and we will be putting a free Bluetooth receiver in here which will allow you to play your music through the sound system and your phone. You've got electric front windows and electric heated mirrors. A little rev counter up here. As I said, all the plastics are in fantastic condition. It's as new inside the car, I'm confident in saying. You can see the pedals are completely unworn, gear levers completely unworn, as is in the steering wheel. It's all in fantastic condition. As I said, the rear seats are the same as the front, unmarked, in excellent condition. So this is the 1 litre, which is £20 road tax. It will also do 60 miles to the gallon. And as this 1 litre is a chain driven engine, you do not have to worry about cam belt changes. There's no cam belt to change. You literally just do oil filter, air filter and oil changes on it. So very easy and low cost to maintain. No concerns about having an expensive cam belt change. And as you expect, drives perfectly with the miles. So would make a fantastic first time car for someone or a family runabout. It will come out with a 6-month national warranty that can be used at any VAT registered garage. That also includes free breakdown cover, and as said, comes with a brand new MOT. So thanks for watching the video. Any questions, please do get in touch. See you again soon.